of the masses, emphasizing that the strength of the people is essential for any political movement of the poor.
You may have 100 rupees, you may have lakh rupees, you may have any crores of rupees. That will not work in politics. You need money. First, you need people's strength. When the national leader used to come, still I remember yesterday I was just coming with Nalpad to some of his function. I was remembering the India International Hospital. One day when NSU president came those days, now she is the, I think she is the Rajya Sabha member now from in charge of not Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. Rajni Patil. She was that time in charge of NSU at that time, and those times. Thousands of youngsters we used to go and receive in the airport, waiting all day, myself, RVR, that is and all. That time of movement was there. Now it has gone. One single man army. All of you have become a single man army. No one is behind you. You all wanted to become a ticket. You wanted to become carpenters. You wanted to become. You should create a group of youngsters. Then only the leadership will stand. So all of you have to work together. I remember one day Ratan Tata speak to me. If you want to walk fast, walk alone. If you want to walk far, walk together. If you want to go reach a destination, all of you have to go. I think some of you might remember when I took over the charge of the president of the Congress president here on 5 years back or 6 years back at this place at the time of COVID. We could not arrange a big program. We would have to make an interior program. I said, joining together is the beginning. Working together is the progress. Thinking together is the progress. Working together is the success. So you all have to join together. Today, whatever Rahul Gandhi has said on this vote chori, it is from Karnataka. It is a foundation. This is a place where it has given a change to this country. Rajiv Gandhi started his political career here in Bangalore in